Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for After Effects tutorial, and today I want to show you how to create motion graphics for meals or war. So let's start. First, create a new composition because we want to create motion design. Right here, attack and set your preset to HD. So if you need to use high quality, select full HD. So now I need to create, for example, for sample, I need to select HD. And now go to time duration from start 0 to 10 seconds. Select resolution into full and don't forget to go to 3D render, select classic 3D and click OK. So there I have the PSD of the map. Press S for scale down the size. And there you can see Iran, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar. So guys, I need to create like a visual effects motion design. I need to use Saber Light. I need to use green screen footage and attack from this country on another countries. So how to do this? Before creating the line, let's create the border for the Iran. Right click, you go to new, select solid. There, select the solid to yellow, bright color. And right here, border, click OK. Turn off, and now select the pen tool. This is the first way. And for the easy way, how to create this, delete the solid, don't select your layer, and go to fill, take a look, turn off the fill, click OK. You have pen tool right there and select the stroke, select yellow color, make more brighter, and set the pixels 2 pixels. And zoom in, take a look guys. Set to 5. And now guys, I need to animate the border. How to do this? Go to source, layer, go to content, go to shape 1, go to stroke, and let's see, there I have a taper and there I have dash. I need to add from here train path. Select the train path, expand the train path, there is end. I need to animate from 1 second. Stopwatch, go to 3 seconds. Take a look. Play now. Here. So select your second keyframes. Make easy ease to make smooth motion. And close your layer. Select your layer. Make name border. And now, guys, time to create the missile line. How to create this? Create a new solid. Right here, a missile line. No matter which color you want to select, click OK and go to Effect and go to Video Copilot. Select the Saber Light. Don't forget, you can download Saber Light from my Patreon account. There is my Patreon account, just After Effects. Take a look, there is a lot of plugins pack of After Effects. So you can find Silverlight here too. And don't forget, if you need to use explosions, you can download Action Essentials too. So guys, let's continue. Select your layer and turn off. Go to select pen tool, one click, second, third, and turn on again. Go to customize colors, change to layer mask, and hold Control on keyboard to make slowly control the sprayed glow, control the bias, control the core size, and go to mode, select add. Don't forget guys, if your composition setting 3D render, advanced render, if this option is on, you can't use mode. When you select the classic 3D, then you can use the mode. So change the color to red, make a little bit different. And now go to where, let's go to there. Take a look. I need to change the offset size and start size. Take a look at the offset size. And this one is about start size. Control the thickness. Hold control, we can control change the core size like this. So guys, don't forget your layer is 2D. I need to change into 3D. How to do this? Select the border, press F4 to turn on the 3D switch. Turn on the 3D, turn on the 3D. And turn on the 3D for the map. Right click, create a new camera. Select 24 millimeter, click OK. Don't forget turn off enable depth of field. Click OK. And now control your camera using these three tools. The first one is orbit round. Then the second one is about the pan and dolly. I need to use the orbit round like this. Here you can see the camera movement. You can move it and you can zoom it. So select your missile line solid by rotate from this anchor, rotate like this. So hold shift on keyboard, take a look, 45, 75, 90 degree, and here select again the move tool, take a look, select, control make little bit up, sit on the Jordan target. Take a look, when you control your camera, the target is up there. Let's make more closer. Select your layer and make more closer to move underground like this and move a little bit here and control the glow. Control the glow. Take a look. Go to glow sprayed. Hold control. Control the glow bias and control the core size. And let's rotate the camera. Here you can see. So guys, and now if you need to start the attack, how to do this? Select your missile line, take a look. After completing the border of this country, after 3 seconds, start. Go to start size, go to start offset, end offset, make 0. Make 0, end offset, stopwatch, go to second 4. In 1 second, attack from over there to Jordan. So when the attack is completed, you must make stopwatch start size go to second 5 and so end offset. Sorry, turn off this one. Take a look. Stopwatch start offset. Go to second 5 and make 100. Play now. Aries. Nice. So how to use the explosion? Select this clip and go to use key light. Apply. Don't forget save your project and select remove the green screen and turn on the 3D. Press S to scale down the size and make rotate hold shift 90-degree and move right there and set here, make a little bit up here and change the size. Hold shift on keyboard, make it down here. Take a look, guys. When the line is attached to this map, take a look. Wow, nice works. So, guys, you can continue like this. Select the missile line, press Ctrl D duplicate, and then select this one and make move, change the keyframes like this and rotate like this. So turn off the start offset. Take a look. Make between these two countries and rotate like this. Here's. Let's play now. First, the second. So on time, attacking. One more copy from this clip. Press Ctrl D duplicate and move. Set here and right there. Take a look. After attach the point to over there. Great. I need one more line to UAE. How to do for this one? Select the third missile line, press Ctrl D duplicate and rotate. So let's move here and set right there and select this point, make here. Take a look, guys. Make a little bit more, rotate, sit there. So if you need to use or attack on Saudi Arabia, so viewers, it here. Let's control the camera. Let's see the position. Everything is good. Everything is nice. So just one thing, select the second missile. Take a look. select the second stopwatch start offset and go to second 5, make 100. Take a look. Great. And select the third line, select, and let's stopwatch start offset. Go to 5 seconds, 10 frame, 5 seconds, 15 frame. Make it 100. Take a look. And don't forget, let's control the sprite. Let's control the bias, control the core size, and let's control glow intensity. And let's control for second line too. Select the second one and great. So guys, and now time to animate the camera. How to animate the camera? Take a look, right click, create a new null object and turn on the 3D and parent link null object to camera. Let's move the null object, cancel again, select the camera, parent link to the null object, and let's move. Good. And now how to rotate. Take a look there, I have 3 rotation. The first one, and the second one, and the third one. So stopwatch, go to 10 seconds and make rotate like this. Select all of them and close the layers, turn on the motion blurs. Press Ctrl S to save and let's render. You can use apply glow effect on border line and next. So I need to add one more explosion clip right there. Select and Control D, move and move and move. Take a look.